Most of our people still they don't have a clue about what is happening into this world. Understand? Okay, let me just say this. For you to have a third eye, we are a pimp of your God Jehovah. Do you understand that? Okay. Even the third eye is similar as my phone and your phone or your computer or my computer. I might check what is happening to this world. Much as people, they use it to reduce the population of humankind in this world. Understand? This thing has been happening a long time into Egypt until today. Understand? Because that God, he used to spray people in their mouth, kill them. As much as today we have so much disease that they cause you, they give us so we may die. So they may have a small amount of population. This thing is not new. It's been happening long time ago in Egyptian by God, who was controlling and checking everything with his tablets. Understand? For you to have a third eye, a spiritual eye, you are the pimp of God. You understand? That's why you find so many people. Look, I'm gonna play a video after this. These people, they wanna change. What is happening? They wanna change. Let me say, they wanna change about the things that are happening into this world. They wanna make them into your own again understanding. You understand me? They wanna make the world about how they see it to be. Understand? So for you to have that eye again, you are the pimp of God. That's why God comes and attack in the same time when people think about doing the bad things into this world. The third eye is not yours. You borrowed it. Even the phone that we're using is a crystal. It is made out of a crystal. That's why I can go and check through internet, through satellite, what is happening, how many people are in South Africa, how many people are in China, how many people are in Taiwan, how many people are in Zimbabwe, how many people are in Ghana. Understand? If I find so many people in there, I might have that plan that I have to reduce the population amount of the people. Look here, man. The devil has never killed anybody, and he won't get a chance to kill somebody. Because at the time when the devil planned to do something bad, God attacks same time. Because he's using your penetral eye, your third eye, to see, to be a pimp for you to guard this world. You understand? He's not here, but he see everything through you. That's why the third eye, it is important for you to have it. Understand? This thing has been happening long time ago into Egyptian. That's why we have a tablet of a pharaoh. You can see that third eye they decorated there. It is a spiritual eye as much as we have a spiritual eye. So that's what I want to explain about the Enlil panel third eye. The third eye. That's what I want to say. It's a pimp for your God Jehovah to see what is happening through this world. Check this video. No, there's no devil who can come and harm you. God, he kills people long time ago, and he's still even doing it now. There's no damn thing that Satan has ever done harmful to be harmful to other people. Understand? He might touch those little, but the anointed one, they cannot be touched. Understand? They cannot be touched, the anointed one, because they are the pimp of God Jehovah. The third eye is important for you to open it while you're still alive. Make your God avail to you. Watch this video, what happened to China. Thank you guys. My videos are, I know, the best all the time. Thank you.
In China, the Chinese Communist Party is midway through a 10-year project to rewrite the Bible, which will then be forced on Chinese Christians.
One of the changes in this new Bible turns Jesus into a murderer. Chinese authorities have changed the ending of a Bible story.
In the Gospel of John, Jesus is known for confronting those who accuse a woman who falls in adultery so that the one who has no sin would cast the first stone. According to the new Gospel of John by the communist regime, instead of ending in mercy and forgiveness, the story ends with Jesus himself being the one who cast stones at the adulterous woman.
等会儿房子走了，看看。
太冷了，太冷了。哎，我的棒棒也完了。
发现没有？这房子都冲走了，房子还在水里。
Come on. Is China actually rewriting the Bible? This is real bad. Listen to this.
If China writes a new version of the Bible and other religious texts. In the Gospel of John, Jesus is known for confronting those who accuse a woman who falls in adultery so that the one who has no sin would cast the first stone. According to the new Gospel of John by the communist regime, instead of ending in mercy and forgiveness, the story ends with Jesus himself being the one who cast stones at the adulterous woman.
If you don't have a physical Bible, here's your sign to get one today. Only if you want to keep up with crazy end time stuff like this, then follow or subscribe.
等会儿房子走了，看看。
太冷了，太冷了。哎，我的棒棒也完了。